What's up, everybody? So today I'm taking a road trip. So we've been working on the AE86 for a long time. You know, the engine started and been tuning for a little while. First run on the dyno. Jason from Link ECU has been tuned the car remotely. But we still have some issues and couldn't really overcome everything yet. So I just decided to take the car to his place, which is at Portland, Oregon. It's not a long trip, but still it stays like 15 hours on the map. I just left 9 a.m. LA, so I'll try to be there like tomorrow noon or something. But anyways, yeah. So I'm doing my trip. I'm gonna show you what's going on. Man, I'm spending like $150 for gas. No, it's been 200. And it's gonna be even more. It's pretty crazy. So I've been driving like 8 hours straight, or maybe 9 hours almost. I thought I was able to capture more stuff, but nothing really, so just keep driving. I don't know what to film, but my travel is going pretty good so far. Just need to eat something soon. Getting pretty hungry, so and I want to eat some Asian rice. So I found the Panda Express. I'm gonna have a quick, kind of early dinner, real quick here. Yes! It's not a parking lot, but I'm just parking the trailer. Hope nobody cares. Itadakimasu. Damn, Panda Express tastes so good right now. Oh my god, that was so good. I think it was the best Panda Express that I ever had. Anyways, kind of cool view. I think we have pretty, I mean not we, I'm by myself actually. I think I'm pretty close to the border of Oregon, or if anything, already in Oregon. I don't know. I'm gonna check my map soon. So I think I'm finally arriving. Yeah, this is a place. So finally alive, unloading the car, meeting up with Jason. All right. What's up, Jason?
What's up?
How you doing?
You're good. You're gonna be doing better once we get this thing on the dyno. Start making some power.
Cool.
Looking forward to it. killer build for the car. Now we just gotta get the final touches on this thing and start making some smoke in the parking lot. Hopefully later on today, right?
That'd be dope. That'd be dope. Right on. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Yeah, you're late for work, man.
You want me to work for you?
Little fetch.
It's the engine. This particular engine is just kind of complicated.
Anything that's DI, so anything that's direct injection.
So even like a Supra motor is something like that too.
Super motor, same thing. The reason why people get around that stuff is because there's not too many aftermarket solutions for that. So most of the people that are tuning the new Supra stuff, they're tuning it with aftermarket like ROM ECU stuff. The stock ECU is basically what they're utilizing, or they have to go through the same process. So it's a very laborious process to get this data initially. But once you have the data, then you have the data. The problem is that we're working backwards. We should have had all the data first and then move forward on it. But this was one of those, scenarios where you thought you had the data until you actually got so deep down the rabbit hole that the data you had wasn't really accurate. So now we're basically starting back, grabbing the data that we know that's quantified. But the good news is like all that stuff is here. So now it's just my job to make it all work together. Again, because of this motor has very little cam for advancement and retard on the intake and the exhaust, as well as exhaust VTEC. And then you have to control your fuel pump and everything at the same time. It's just your window of opportunity is very, very small.
I know some of these words.
So that's why it makes this one very, very challenging.
So I think they solved all the issues and now just Jason's tuning. Looks like we are going a really good direction. He's keep pulling on the dyno and numbers are getting increased, so it sounds really healthy, so should be good. Oh my god, so I finally had a shower after 17 hours of driving and slept in the car. Feels so good. And actually this is the first time I'm staying at the hotel ever since the pandemic happened. It was kind of interesting. I feel like the people at the hotel are more careful than ever, so I feel pretty confident. And but yeah, it's been because usually I stay at the hotel a lot of time throughout the year, but this year this is basically first time. Oh, actually I did in Japan early this year, but first time in the States in 2020, so it's pretty crazy. Alright, day 2 on the dyno. I'm about to take a look. I think Jason's already here and he's gonna do the final dyno session on the AE86R, and after that the car will be ready. So ready for the track. Super excited, but I just hope everything goes well today and then all done in end of the day. Hope.
Today we're going to be finishing up a little bit of work on this. We've got a couple small things to deal with. We've got a little bit of fueling for warm-up enrichment and cold start stuff, and then a couple more power pulls today. But just more going to be focused on drivability stuff and just getting some transitional fuel stuff. But hoping today goes like yesterday, which was very successful. So maybe another hour or two on the dyno, and I think we're going to be good.
Cool.
Right on.
So you're explaining about the direct injection.
Yeah, so basically I'll explain. So one thing we're working on right now with the DI motors is that these things, unlike a conventional motors, these will run about 2,600 pounds of fuel pressure. So if you happen to stall the motor out because it is a basically a returnless system, you still have a ton of fuel pressure in there. So when you go to re-crank it, sometimes you can get an overfueling situation. So we've got to work on the spill valve, basically decay to get some fuel pressure out of it, so when you go restart it, it doesn't pop and bang when you don't want it to pop and bang.
Gotcha.
Cool.
Thank you. Hopefully this will be one of the last pull to get this thing done. Alright, thank you so much. It was great.
Thank you, man. Appreciate you taking the time to come all the way up here from LA to allow us to get the car finalized. We're looking forward to getting that thing on track and getting some more data points and getting everything refined. But man, the thing's gonna be a ripper. Enjoy. Be safe.
Thank you.
Take care, guys.
So yes, it's finally tuned. I am so happy about it. It's been a long project and a lot of people helped, and finally car is almost ready for the track. So I'm pretty sure on the next video I can show you guys what it's like on the track. So please stay tuned. And again, thank you for watching. And I will see you guys on the flip side. Johnny.